concept. See here, some foundation question, some beginning questions, some net practice questions, then we'll get into the highest level of difficulty. This question I took it out from the simplification chapter. Students who are watching me, who are preparing for bank or placements or could be SSC related examination, some basic net practice question. See the question. X square plus 79 square. Read the question first. X square plus 79 square equivalent to 172 square minus 88 square minus 8203. Minus 8203. What most of the students will solve is they will use some Vedic mathematics calculation thing and they will find out 79 square, 172 square, 88 square, and they will do all the necessary mathematical operations. If anybody is doing like this, you will keep on writing your examinations. You will be called as a classic example of the highest number of repeats a student has done it. This is a very wrong way of solving. If anybody is telling you to find out these numbers and do it like this, probably then you are going to be mentored by a wrong teachers. This is a wrong way of solving. Sir, how to solve this question? Multiple angles I will tell you. It is not the problem. If Anil Nair is solving this question in the exam, how he will solve? How a student should start from the fundamentals. Now see here. Method 1. Listen carefully. The first thing what I will do is method 1. Here I will write down the concepts also. Whenever you are solving simplification related problems, whenever you are solving simplification related problems, these are the tools that you require. These are the tools which you require. The first thing is speed calculations, which I told you, which we will ideally not use it. Speed calculation techniques, how to find the square of a number, how to find the cube of a number, how to find the square of a number for a specific problems, how to multiply two numbers, squares, cubes, and multiplication. These are some of the things a student should require. Ideally, we will not try to use unless and until it is present. This is the first tool a student should require to solve a simplification related problems. Square, how to find the square of a 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number in 10 seconds. How to find the square root of a perfect square, square root of a non-perfect square, cube of a number nearer to 10 power k, cube root of a perfect cube, cube root of a non-perfect cube, multiplication related problems. Then he should know how to use the unit digit logic. 99% of the simplification related problems can be solved using these tools. Next one, last two digits logic. One by one, I will start with the fundamentals. Last two digits logic. Next one is digital sum logic. And the last one is approximation. Up and above, the most important fundamental thing a student should know, that is number tree. If you have all these tools, if you know when to use which tool, you will be able to solve the problems very, very fast. Number tree. In number tree, another important concept, divisibility rules. One by one, depending upon the question, I will be using it. First, make a note of what I wrote on the blue color. Suppose there is a simplification problem, it is there. To solve a simplification problem, these are the various tools that can be used. For you to make a curry, what are the ingredients that are required? Similar to that one, to solve a simplification problem, speed calculation techniques you should know, approximation techniques you should know, unit digit logic, last two digit logic, even and odd number logic, and divisibility rule. Sir, which logic to be used when? Which logic to be used when? Depends upon the merit of the question. Sometimes this logic could be effective, sometimes this logic could be effective, sometimes this logic could be effective. There is no particular method to tell that this logic will be the best method. It all depends upon the merit of the problem. Make a note of these points. Any student who is preparing for any aptitude examination, the first thing is you should know all these concepts. Otherwise, you will fumble in simplification related problems, especially the students who are preparing for banking examination. Simplification and approximation is an must and should topic which gives you a good number of maximum right in minimum time. Now, sir, you said that simplification by using it is taking a lot of time. If Anil Nair is solving this problem, first for me, how I solve this question? See here, for me, I am not interested in using huge mathematics. I am interested in solving it using very simple approaches. I read the question first. X square plus 79 square equivalent to 172 square. So I will try to use a number tree logic. I will try to use a number tree logic. Then I will counter it. You will not get a single doubt in my class. X square, 79 is an odd number. Odd number on square, it is an odd number. 172, it is an even number. Even number square, even into even, even into even into even. Minus 88, it is even. 8203, unit digit, it is an odd number. If the unit digit, it is an odd number, then the number is an odd number. It is an odd number. So x square equivalent to even minus odd. Odd comes to the right hand side, it will become minus odd. I hope it is clear. Again, basic fundamentals, I will repeat it. A number is said to be an even number if the unit digit is even. It could be 2, 4, 6 or 8, or it could be 0. A number is said to be an odd number if the unit digit it is odd, especially for the non-max students. Even minus even is even. Odd minus of odd plus odd. This can be written as even, minus of odd plus odd. Odd plus odd, it is even. This is even. This is even. X square, it is even. That means x should be even. Which number on square I will get an even number? X, that number should be an even number. That number should be an even number. This is an odd number. This is an odd number. This is an odd number. So, just by looking at a question, I got the answer as 86. I got the answer as 86. A smart student watching this class on the mobile or on the laptop, immediately if he is a smart student, sir, what if there are more than one answer options which has got the same last 2 digits? Suppose, sir, what if there is an option 96 or 92? Write down. These are all the 2 doubts which you might get in case if you are watching the class live right now on mobile or laptop or tab. I hope it is clear. You don't need to ask me a question. I can predict what is going on in your mind and I can create a question on spot to tell you that this will happen when that will happen. I hope it is clear. Now see here. X square plus 79 square equivalent to 172 square minus 88 square minus 8203. Again, second time I am repeating. Every logic 2 times I will repeat. Even on square, even. Odd, even minus even minus odd, odd minus odd, even. X should be even. Only one option is even in the red color, so 86. Sir, then the question arises, what if it is 96 or 92? Let us write down the question. Question is x square plus 79 square equivalent to 179 square minus 88 square minus 8203. X equivalent to, which all options are there? 86. I introduced 2 more options, 96 and 92. 86, 96 and 92. X square plus 79 square equivalent to 179 square minus 88 square minus 8203. X equivalent to. Now listen carefully. Listen carefully, sir. Now, what we did, the first logic, what we did, number tree logic, we did it. number tree logic which we did. If the examiner is a very smart guy, if he has given all the options even, then number tree probably will not be the best logic. Now let me introduce the second logic, which is last two digits logic. Last two digits logic. What is the last two digits logic? Last two digits logic is x square 50 plus or minus x whole square. X square. I have discussed these proof in detail in so many problems related to perfect square. In case if you are a student watching this class live, please go back and see perfect square videos. You will be amazed at the way I solved some of the toughest CAT questions in seconds. X square 50 plus or minus x whole square, 100 plus or minus x whole square. It will have same last two digits. It will have same last two digits. Sir, how it helps us in solving a lot of these problems? Number tree logic, if only one option is even, that method is the best method. Next method, if all the options are even, then last two logics will help you to give the answer. Now see here, x square. Suppose I am doing 79 square. What are the last two digits of 79 square? 79 square, it is 50 plus 29 square. 50 plus x square and x square. Last two digits are same. So 29 square is 841. So last two digits it is 41. For this last two digits it is 41. Similarly, x square 179 square. 179 square. First problem I am writing everything in detail. It is 79 square. 79 square is again 841. 88 square. 88 is 100 minus 12 square. 100 minus x square. 12 square it is 44. 12 square it is 44. I hope the idea it is clear. Now we will substitute. X square plus 41 equivalent to 41 minus 44 minus last two digits it is 03. I hope it is clear. So these 8 x square equivalent to 41 and 41. X square it is 41 and 41. I hope that is the same problem, right? X square plus 172 square. It is 172. It is 172. I took it as 179. 72 square. So 72 square it is 50 plus 22 square. 50 plus 22 square. In hurry, don't do this kind of mistakes. 22 square is 484. So this will be 84. I hope it is clear. X square plus 41. I'll erase it like this. Avoid doing any calculation mistake. I will come to know if I did any calculation mistake. X square, 79 square is 41, 172 square it is 84, 88 square is 12 square 144 minus 03. I took the question as 179 square. I hope you understood the mistake. So x square plus 41 equivalent to 84 minus 47. So x square equivalent to 84 minus 47 minus 48. 84 minus 88. Minus 88 it is 4. If you get a negative remainder, minus 4, if in last two digits, add it with 100. What is 100 minus 4? 96. Last two digits of answer on square, last two digits will be 96. I hope it is clear. All these you can erase it. It's a wastage of time because it is the first problem I am telling you. 79 is 50 plus 29. 172 is 100 plus 72. 72 it is 50 plus 22. 188 is 100 minus 12. X square, whenever you get a negative remainder, whenever you are finding the last two digits, if you get a negative remainder, add with 100. Why? Because when you divide a number by 100, then only you will get the last two digits. Then only you will get the last two digits. Answer on square should give you last two digits 96. Answer on square should give you last two digits. Suppose 86 square. 86 square is 100 minus 14 square. 14 square 196. Yes, last two digits it is matching. 96. 96 square is 100 minus 4 square. 4 square is 16. Not matching. 92 square is 100 minus 8 square. 8 square 64. It is not matching. I hope it is clear. If more than one answer option has got even, first I used number tree logic. What is a number tree? Even plus even is even. Odd minus odd is even. Even into even is even. Odd into odd is odd. X square plus 79 square. Another introduction to last two digits logic. Last two digits logic. I hope the idea it is clear. 86, 96 and 92. Suppose if you go by the unit digit logic, there could be two choices which you might get, 94 and 86. 94 will be 100 minus x square. 6 square 36. Last two digits it is 36. Last two digits it is 36. So this problem it is eliminated. I hope it is clear.